Good morning, students. Here is Pradeep sir again for you. We are going to learn coordinate geometry from class 10 mathematics. Uh, this is actually the last part of this coordinate geometry chapter. Here we will learn about the formula to find the area of a triangle and also uh, how to use this formula in various problems. So let us start. Suppose A, B and C are 3 points whose coordinates are given as x1, y1, coordinate of B is given as x2, y2 and coordinate of C is given as x3, y3. By joining A, B and C, we can see that a triangle is formed. We have to find the area of that triangle. So there is a formula to find the area. I am showing you the formula. Area of triangle ABC equals to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 inside the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 inside the bracket y1 minus y2. So once more, area of triangle ABC equals to half x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3 in the bracket plus x2 multiplied by y3 minus y1 inside the bracket and x3 multiplied by y1 minus y2 inside the bracket. Now sometimes you will find that the answer of area is coming in negative, but we all know that area cannot be negative. So either we'll find the area and at the end of the answer we'll write in statement with positive value, or we can do one thing, we can put a modular sign here. This means only the value, the positive value of the area. So this is the whole thing, the figure, the formula. Just go through it. I'll show you how to solve problem based on this. Three points whose coordinates A 2 3, B minus 1 0 and C 2 minus 4 are given. We have to find the area of the triangle using these coordinates. So here area equals to half, then modular sign, and then the coordinate of x1 is 2, y2 minus y3 0 minus minus 4, so 0 plus 4 plus x2 that is minus 1. Actually whenever you will write the points, write in this manner: A x1 y1 2 3, B x2 y2 minus 1 0 and C like that. So there, when you will be copying the values, when you are going to substitute the values, then there is less chance of making mistake. So here x2 is minus 1, y3 minus y1, y3 is minus 4 and y1 is 3, that is minus 3, and x3 is 2, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, 3 minus 0 second bracket and modular sign, half second bracket, here there will be a second bracket, sorry, here there is a second bracket. So 2 into 4 is 8. Minus 1, and this is minus 7. So it will be minus 1 and multiplied by minus 7 plus 2 into 3 is 6 equals to half. This is 8. This is minus 1 up into minus 7 is plus 7, and then plus 6. Half 15 plus 6 is 21. Now since the value inside the modulus is positive, so only the positive value will come out. Therefore the answer is 21 upon 2, or we can write 10 whole 1 upon 2. Therefore area equals to 10 whole 1 upon 2 square units. Since it is area, so answer will be written as square units. Understood? Okay. So this is the formula, and by substituting the value of x, all the coordinates of A, B and C, we can find the area of a triangle. Now area of a triangle has so many applications. Like if 3 points are collinear, then what will be the area formed by these 3 points? Obviously, since it is straight line, no triangle will be formed, and hence the area will become 0. I will show you that one also. And it is used in triangle median property. You all know median divides the triangle into 2 parts of equal area. There also we will verify using the area formula for area of a triangle. So first let me show how this is used to find 3 points are collinear or not. These are the 3 points given to us. A, whose coordinate is 7 minus 2, B is 5 1, and C is 3 4. We have to check whether these 3 points are collinear or not. So we have to find the area of the triangle. Let us check what is the area. Area of triangle ABC equals to half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Half, let me substitute all the values. So x1 is 7 multiplied by y2 minus y3, 1 minus 4, plus x2 5, y3 4 minus 2, that is 4 plus 2, plus x3 is 3, y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 2, and y2 is 1, so minus 2 minus 1. Half. So this is minus 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 into 7 is minus 21. Plus 5. And inside the bracket 4 plus 2 is 6. So 5 multiplied by 6, 30. Plus 3 inside the bracket. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. So it will become minus 9. Therefore half minus 21 minus 9 is minus 30 plus 30. So this is half. Inside the modulus is 0, 0. Therefore the area of the triangle formed is 0, which means a triangle is not formed. That means all the 3 points A, B and C are collinear. Therefore, A, B and C are collinear. Now remember, we have used the distance formula to check the collinearity of 3 points. So in that case, we have to find 3 distances, AB, BC and AC. So many steps, lot of space, lot of time is required for that in that process. But here, only by finding the area 0, we can say that the points are collinear. So it is my advice to whenever a question comes related to collinearity of 3 points, please use this area formula. It is very simple and easier and quicker method. Okay. Sometimes the coordinate, any one of the coordinate is not given, missing. Suppose this is missing, which is there in our NCERT book, exercise 7.2, question number 2, Roman 1. So here k is given there. We have to find the value of k. Condition given is that the points are collinear. So we'll use this formula, and since the points are collinear, then the area will be 0. After equating, we'll get the value of the missing quantity. Okay. Now here is the question. The question says, find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the points A, k plus 1, 2k, B, 3k, 2k plus 3, 3k, 2k plus 3, and C, 5k minus 1, 5k are collinear. A, k plus 1, 2k. Can you see the question? A, k plus 1, 2k. B is 3k, 2k plus 3, and C 5k minus 1, 5k are collinear. So we are going to use the formula for area of triangle to find the area. Let A, the coordinate of AB x1 y1, and it is given as k plus 1, 2k, B x2 y2, and that is given as 3k, 2k plus 3, and C x3 y3, which is 5k minus 1, 5k. So these are the points. Now let me use the formula for area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC equals to half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, half. Now I am going to replace all the values of x1, y2, y3 and all. So x1 is k plus 2, k plus 1, k plus 1, and y2 minus y3. y2 is 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3 minus y3. Minus y3 is minus 5k, plus x2. x2 is 3k, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, y3 is 5k, minus y1, y1 is 2k. plus x3 5k minus 1 y1 2k minus y2. y2 is 2k plus 3, so it will become 2k and plus minus is minus 3. x1 k plus 1 y2 2k plus 3 y3 5k plus x2 is 3k y3 5k minus y1 2k plus x3 5k minus 1 y1 2k minus y2, that is minus 2k plus 3, so it will become minus 2k minus 3 equals to half k plus 1. This will be 3 minus 3k, 2k minus 5k is minus 3k, so it will be 3 minus 3k plus 3k, and this will be 3k also, plus 5k minus 1, and inside the bracket this 2k will be cancelled, so it will be minus 3. By simplifying, we will get k into 3 is 3k, k into minus 3k is minus 3k square, plus 1 into 3 is 3, minus 1 into 3k is minus 3k, plus 3k into 3k is 9k square, plus 5k into minus 3 is minus 15k, and minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. So it will be half modulus the minus 3k square and 9k square. Minus 3k square and plus 9k square is plus 6k square, plus 3k and minus 3k cancelled, minus 15k, plus 3 and plus 3 plus 6. So I have taken all the terms. Yes. Now it is given in the question that the points are collinear. Naturally the area formed will be 0. So according to the question is half, I am removing this modulus sign, so it will be 6k square minus 15k plus 6 equals to 0, or we can say 6k square minus 15k plus 6 equals to 0. This 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now let me divide the whole equation by 3, because 3 is common in all. So if it is divided by 3, then it will become 2k square minus 5k plus 2 equals to 0, dividing by 3. Now after splitting the middle term, we will get 2k square minus 4k minus k plus 2 equals to 0. 2k is common, k minus 2, minus 1 is common, k minus 2. Therefore k minus 2 and 2k minus 1 equals to 0, or we can write k minus 2 equals to 0, 2k minus 1 equals to 0. So k equals to 2 and k, here 2k will be 1, 2k equals to 1, that is k is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore the required value of k is 2 and also half. So these are the two values. If we replace k from the given question by 2 or minus 2 or 1 upon 2, then the area will become 0. That means the points are collinear, so area is 0, so we are getting the missing quantity k. Hope you have understood. The sum is little bit bigger because so many calculations are there, but still it is easier. We all know the algebraic calculations done in previous classes. So that's all for today. Hope you can do this type of sum from other books also, and practice more sums. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.